I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today we're going to do something a little different. Going back old school. An old German lady that I once knew showed me this recipe. It's called Rouladen. It doesn't sound that good, but folks, wait till you taste it. I have 1 pound of bacon, fully cooked, extra crispy. I got one 10-ounce jar of dill pickle relish. It's got to be dill. Can't be sweet, it's got to be dill. We're going to spice it up with the peppered up and the applewood. I got about 4 pounds of thin sliced top round. This is how we're going to assemble it. Get yourself a Ziploc baggie, take your bacon, put it into the baggie. Crush it up kind of fine. Get yourself a bowl. Pour it into the bowl. Use the whole jar of dill pickle relish. Now we're just going to gently mix it a little bit. After we do that, we're going to spice it up with a little bit of peppered up. We're going to take a nice big spoonful and then we're going to roll it right into our meat. You might have a little bit come out, ain't no big deal. Cut. Alright, we'll roll it up. We'll put it in our handy dandy foil pan. Now, there isn't an exact amount that you have to use. You can use a little bit more, you can use a little bit less. All depends on the size of your thin sliced top round. So I'm going to get the rest of these rolled. I'll bring it back and show you what we're going to do before we put it in the oven. Alright, I have all my steaks rolled up with the dill pickle relish and bacon. Seasoned the inside filling with the peppered up. Now we're going to take it to the next level with a little bit of applewood here. Alright folks, we're going to put it in the oven, 350 uncovered for about 20 minutes. I'll bring it back to you as soon as we get done. Alright, the time's up on the baked steak or the rouladen. I'm going to bring it out and show you the next step. Okay, here we are folks. Alright, the next thing we got to do is we're going to wrap it with some foil. Put it back in the oven for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're going to bring it back out and I'm going to show you the finished product. Alrighty, I checked our roulade and it's done. Let me show you the finished product here. Peppered up, applewood, Bubba Rock seasoning. Tender, juicy. Again, guys, you don't think that dill pickle relish and ground bacon goes together, but I'm going to tell you right now, this is great.